Hi, I'm Lori.
And I'm Rick.
And we are Here We Go Again Camping. Guys, thanks for joining us. Not too long ago, we were contacted by a gentleman named Ben from Super Clean that wanted to share with us his cleaning supplies, thinking that we can benefit for the use of them with our camper. Mm-hmm. And we thought that we can share our honest review with you guys so you can benefit as well.
Absolutely, guys. Thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. Give us a thumbs up if you like it or if you find it helpful. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can get our upcoming videos. But stay tuned as we give this review.
So a big shout out and thank you to Super Clean for making his job a whole lot easier cleaning the outside of the camper. Even though I'm still stuck on the inside cleaning the camper.
You sound a little jealous.
A little bit.
Thank you, Super Clean. Hi, campers. So this is typically how we wash our camper. Lori and I don't do the outside.
I've only done it a couple of times.
Right. I mean, the way I look at it is, it's the same reason I don't cut grass anymore. I have a teenage son who needs to appreciate and know the value of hard work.
Definitely, because the kids nowadays don't know the whole hard work pays off thing. They're not in that mentality anymore.
No, I mean, but Lori and I take raising our children very seriously.
Yes.
And some people may look at this and say it's punishment, but I think it's just learning the value of work ethic. And, I want him to grow up and be a hard worker.
Correct. And to know that you need to work hard for things that you want.
Absolutely. And that's
things aren't given to you.
That's what our parents taught us. So
that's right.
That's what we're going to pass on to them. So this is him. I mean, he's a slow worker and he's hating every minute of it. And I gotta say, there's a huge part of me that is tickled over this.
Yeah, it's building up muscle strength.
Absolutely.
Arm strength.
Absolutely.
Okay, so before we get into the whole product thing, let's go ahead and just start you out simple here. We recommend starting with the lowest concentration as outlined on the dilution chart, which is actually attached to this whenever you purchase it. Always test Super Clean in an inconspicuous area and start with the item as cool as possible. You don't want to be in direct sunlight. Thankfully, we had an overcast day.
Yes.
And Super Clean works best with cold water. And it is important to never let Super Clean dry on the surface. Hence, you don't want to be in direct sunlight because once you spray it, if it dries, it doesn't work properly.
Yes.
You want to spray it off with cold water after I think it's 30 seconds.
Yes, so basically here I am. You can see me just spraying this tire, all the grease and dirt and grime that's just rolling off. So we sped this up a little bit. Basically I sprayed very generously on the tires and it just started coming off, and then I just lightly brushed it a little bit. And I have to tell you, I was so impressed with just how easily this dirt and grease and grime came off of this tire.
That is so nasty.
It is. I mean, and I had to go back and spray off our driveway because I didn't want all this just sitting on it. But, I mean, as you can tell,
wow.
That's just from the brush. I mean, this did a fantastic job on our tires. And I don't even think I needed to spray it off. So I had to tell you, I'm so thankful that Benjamin contacted us and sent us this product because it's changed how I view cleaning our vehicles now.
Yes. Now you're actually doing I call it hubcap. What is that?
Yeah, it's a hubcap, but
okay.
I mean, this will work on rims, and basically you just spray it on your rims, let it sit for 30 seconds, and then rinse it off, as Lori said, with cold water. And it made our hubcaps look really, really good without even scrubbing on it.
Because, I mean, we just came back from vacation and a trip, and we got in rain and mud, so it looks really good considering.
Yeah. So I'm just doing the same thing on the back tire here. And don't get me wrong, I sprayed this very
really
generous.
well.
Yeah. I mean, I caked it on there, and as you can tell already that it's already starting to come off of it. So it did a fantastic job on our tires. And I mean, you could dilute this to make your spray bottle last longer. I think I could have done that, but also you're going to see here the one thing, and I look back, I regret, is the fact that we have a white camper.
Well, yeah.
Black streaks drive me bananas.
They really do. He gets so mad, and then trying to clean them off really aggravates him.
Yes. So, and this is one thing that would impress me with Super Clean. You can use this product in the indoor, outdoor, on your automotives, and your, of course, RV and marine. So, once I realized how easy this was with taking black streaks off, oh my gosh. And I did test this in a little inconspicuous area to make sure there was no damage to the RV, and there was none. And then I applied very generously to a lot of the RV, but you'll see that video coming up.
But they also recommend, because since the RV is such a large object, they said to work in smaller sections. Yes. Because again, you don't want it to dry, so smaller sections, that way you can rinse it off and have no issues with it. But you can see the dark streaks here.
And what I basically did was I sprayed it with the foam can that we have, and I just took one of our soft brushes that we use on our RV, because we don't want scratches, we don't want to damage the surface or anything. But what I thought, I just went over it, sprayed it, let it sit for a little while, and then scrubbed it for a little bit, and I didn't put much elbow grease in it at all.
Well, that's shocking.
coming from you, that I'm sure, but you're allowed to say that.
Yeah.
But
see, I mean, look.
Yeah, it's already started coming off.
It's really dirty.
And that's just one little area. And like I say, this stuff did an amazing job. So what I thought about was, what I plan on doing is using this, and then having our son go back over with kind of a wash and a wax to make sure we're reapplying a wax and protecting our camper. And I think we're going to get amazing results, and we're going to be able to extend our camper and the look of it.
And after him seeing how well it did on the streaks, he actually went ahead and started on the trim, the upper trim, because I'm telling you, we get some mildew on that.
Oh my gosh.
And it's so hard to clean because it's the different material. It's not made of what the side of the camper is.
Yes.
It's rubber or something. I don't know what it is.
And I'm telling you, this sold me for sure on this, because you can tell right here where I've sprayed it, where it's dark, and I've got a before and after picture here, but I am not ever going to scrub these things.
It's like a dirty gutter.
Yes.
You just never can get the mildew off of it. But I'm telling you, I was shocked without scrubbing this how much actually came off.
Yeah, so I started with a shower on our hose, and then I went to a much more intense stream for the water, and you could just literally see the mildew and mold and just grime just coming off of this gutter part. And the reason I say I'm not going to clean this or scrub on it is, to me, doing the ladder thing, blah, 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 would be very difficult, or climbing up on top and leaning over and scrubbing with the brush. No, when you could just spray this and
leave it 30 seconds and be done.
Spray it off. You can tell right here how awesome this product does, before and after. So thank you so much, Super Clean. We love your product. We highly recommend it. Check the description of this video where you can find the link to Super Clean's website. And also I will leave a link where you can order this directly from Amazon as well.
And also some big box stores like Ace Hardware, Lowe's, Napa, and Walmart.
Hi campers, thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate all the support.
And guys, if you want to check out some other videos of ours, click up here. And if you want to become a subscriber, which I hope you will, click down here.
Yeah, also you can check out our apparel shop by clicking over here. But until next time,
safe travels and God bless.